Now let's see the difference between an array and a line. Now this blue line here is array, and the black one below is a line. Why? Because array starts from one anchor point and extends to the direction that you have it positioned at. In this case, it's a horizontal line, so it extends right. A horizontal line has no anchor point. It extends perpetually to the 2 points that you have it set at. Now, there's no operational reason why you could choose array between a line. Maybe you prefer your charts to be more neat with array. You don't want it to extend to the other side infinitely like a line. And this is how you set array and a line. You go to the trend tools and you click on ray. Now this ray here is not horizontal. It can be whatever. You click once and then you set the direction. Now let's just make it diagonal. You can change the thickness of the line. You can change the color, and you can write. You can change the color of the text, and you can write what you want. There it is. By clicking on it again, you can move it. Now this is array. Let's choose a horizontal array. Here it is. You click on it, and I want the array to extend from this anchor point. So you see, it starts from there. If I would choose a horizontal line, however, and let's choose this level, as we explained, a horizontal line extends to both its points infinitely. So these are the major differences between array and a line on TradingView.